Hi everyone. I've come to share with you two items that I'm going to be listing in my shop. I have made a another journal kit, which is here, and then I've made a blank journal, and I will show you that first. These two items, like I said, will be listed in my shop. They will be listed separately, they're not being sold together. So this is like a traveller's notebook size blank plain journal, and I've obviously decorated the cover, done some layering, got the this image on here, some stitching there, the butterfly. It's titled Journal. The cover has been sewn onto coffee dyed cardstock. There is eyelets and string as a closure. So let me do a very quick flip. So it's ready for you to decorate or to write in, or whatever you do with your journals. There is 104 pages and it measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2, I think it is. Yep, let me just measure. It might be more than that actually. 4 3/4. So, oh no, I don't know where I was. So a quick flip. Paper bags, dictionary pages, plenty of well, there's a good amount of like obviously designed papers and music paper and things like that. No, there isn't music paper, I'm telling lies. Digital papers, doilies. So if you're looking for ideas, you can go back onto my playlists, and I've got quite a lot on there for you to watch and maybe make some pockets and tuck spots to decorate your journal. So like I said, this has got 104 pages front and back, so that could last you quite a while. And nearly at the end. So there we have it, that is that one. So I will set that to one side. So the journal kit is very much like the ones that I've been doing over the last couple of days. So you have got your corner tucks, and you have got 2 of them. This is the double pocket that can open up like so, and it's you would just glue it here and here onto the page, and then you've got the paper clip just holds it together. I can't even get this on now. Okay, there we go. Doesn't want to go in. There we go. So there's 2 of those, and then there's 2 of these, which are the ones that open out, and you would, or I would, just glue here and here and glue that on so that you can tuck things in behind there. Then you've got the pockets here. So there's 2 of them. Then we have 4 of these like journal tags, which have been coffee dyed, stenciled, stamped and inked up. There is 6 of these tags. And there is 4 of the large ones. You have 4 index cards. I mean, each kit that I've done has been slightly different, but they've got more or less the same. There's 4 paper bags, 2 striped, 2 polka dots, and they sound nice and crispy. 4 little coin envelopes. You could decorate them. There is 4 guest checks. There is 6 of these mini dictionary pages. You can. This is from an old book, I think. Actually, when I say vintage, I think I said vintage before. It's from 1960 something, so it's still quite old. This again is, I think, some form of definition book, but there's 6. Is it 6 pages there, or 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them, and it's aging well around the edges. There is 4 of the Pitman's shorthand book pages. There is 6 of these dictionary pages that have all been coffee dyed. And again, they're nice and crispy. 2 napkins, the birdie ones, and then this floral one. There is 4 coffee dyed doilies. I was smelling them because I wasn't sure whether they were the ones that I'd done with the coffee and the cinnamon, but I can't smell the cinnamon on them. 4 Edith Holden. Oops, that one's upside down. So there's that one, that one, that one, and that one. And then we have these large book, floral book pages, which, you know, you could fold them in half and chop them off, and you can actually get like two lots of pieces out of that. When I've done them, that's what I've managed to get. Another one, you could fussy cut these things out as well if you wanted to. So there's that, 2 of them. There is 2 of the houseplant book pages, and I've seen some of the journals that some of the ladies have made buying these kits over the last year or so, and some of them are amazing, absolutely amazing what you can do, and everybody's is so different. So there's 2 lined papers, and then there's 10 of the teal coffee dyed paper. I can't remember which one. So that's what you get in the kit, and like I said, that will be folded like that but not crushed down. The kit and the journal, like I said, will be listed separately, so you can go over to my shop and you will see them. That will be linked below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.